Video storytelling on YouTube involves crafting engaging narratives that captivate audiences. Start with a clear message, develop relatable characters, and create a compelling plot. Use visuals and sound to enhance the story. This approach not only boosts engagement, but also fosters a deeper connection with viewers, making your brand memorable and impactful. Video storytelling in YouTube marketing significantly boosts sales by 76% and enhances engagement. With over 2 billion daily users, YouTube offers unparalleled reach for authentic narratives. Story-driven content retains viewers 3 times longer than traditional ads, creating emotional connections that foster brand loyalty and message sharing. Video storytelling is the foundation of engaging content. It combines visual and audio elements to create emotional connections. By weaving conflict, resolution, and authentic emotion, it transforms viewers into engaged community members, making stories relatable and memorable long after the video ends. Video storytelling is the art of crafting narratives using visual and audio elements to forge emotional connections. It transcends mere promotion by integrating conflict, resolution, and authentic emotion, engaging audiences deeply. The aim is to tell relatable, memorable stories that resonate, transforming viewers into engaged community members. Conflict introduces a problem, building suspense and curiosity, keeping viewers engaged. Resolution provides closure, solving the central problem and showing transformation, leaving viewers satisfied. Emotion builds empathy, creating relatable moments and triggering authentic feelings, making stories memorable and shareable. These elements are crucial for crafting compelling narratives that resonate deeply with audiences. Every great video follows a narrative arc. Introduction sets the stage, rising action builds tension, climax hits the emotional peak, falling action eases tension, and resolution provides closure. Mastering this structure helps strategically place emotional beats, build tension, and deliver satisfying payoffs, ensuring viewer engagement throughout. Effective planning is crucial for a successful YouTube video story. Start by defining your video's core message and target audience. Consider the emotional response you aim to evoke and plan your distribution strategy. These elements guide your creative decisions, ensuring your video resonates and achieves its intended impact. Strategic planning is crucial for impactful videos. Define your core message, whether it's brand awareness or sales. Identify your target audience's demographics and interests. Decide on the emotional response you aim to evoke, like trust or excitement. Plan your distribution strategy, considering platforms like YouTube or social media to shape content length and format. Introduce a relatable character like Sarah, a small business owner overwhelmed by paperwork, missing family moments. Highlight her struggle with late nights and growing clutter. Then, present the productivity app as her turning point, organizing chaos swiftly. Conclude with Sarah's newfound balance, leaving work on time, and invite the audience to start their free trial. Crafting a compelling video story on YouTube involves understanding your audience and defining a clear narrative arc. Start with a strong hook to grab attention, develop relatable characters, and build tension through conflict. Use visuals and audio strategically to enhance storytelling, ensuring each element supports the narrative and keeps viewers engaged. Close-ups capture emotions through facial expressions, while varied camera angles provide context and intimacy. Use color and lighting to set mood, warm tones for comfort, cool for tension. In audio, select music that enhances emotions. Use sound effects subtly, and let silence emphasize key moments. Match voice pacing to emotional intensity. Data shows that storytelling videos on YouTube achieve peak engagement at 2 to 3 minutes. Simple, focused narratives with clear arcs outperform complex, lengthy productions in retention and sharing. Crafting concise stories enhances viewer connection and maximizes content performance. Real-world examples highlight the power of storytelling in video content. Successful creators focus on authentic narratives, emotional connections, and structured storytelling. These practices lead to higher engagement and retention, proving that quality storytelling can outperform traditional marketing strategies. Emphasizing customer stories and professional production values can transform viewer interaction and drive substantial growth. A small business transformed its YouTube presence by shifting from generic content to a story-driven approach. Initially, they averaged 500 views per video with low engagement. By focusing on authentic customer narratives and a clear 3-act structure, they achieved over 20,000 views per video and a 5-time subscriber growth in just 6 months. Begin with a clear, authentic story that aligns with your brand values. Keep videos concise, around 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring every second is engaging. Utilize YouTube tools like thumbnails and captions to enhance reach. Continuously test and refine your approach based on performance metrics and feedback. Plan your first storytelling video today using our template.